To log in to the PEAC Enterprise Information System, or EIS, go to the PEAC website. Select Enterprise Information System from the items listed in the quick links. Sign in. You will be redirected to the landing page. Read all advisories and announcements if available. When the system detects that some required school details are lacking, you will be automatically redirected to the school's account profile page. Provide the information needed. Then click Add. Click Home to go to the landing page. Once logged into the EIS, scroll down through the page and look for Quick Links on the left sidebar. Then click ESC Information Management System. If you forgot the password, click Forgot Password on the login page. Input the Education Service Contracting eSchool ID. Then click Submit. Temporary password will then be sent to the official email address of the school indicated in the EIS.